Everyone, welcome to week 4 of your quantitative reasoning course. For this week, we're going to be starting unit 2. So you guys do have a couple preview and practice assignments to complete on Lumen and a couple of videos to watch. At the end of 4A and 4B, you guys are going to complete your lesson quiz. Do remember that you get unlimited attempts at this, so you can go back, use this to practice, or go back to get a higher score. Super important is you guys are going to be doing a discussion board, which is going to help you get started for your mid-semester project. So I do recommend you guys preview the project, and I'll pull that up here in a minute as well. And this discussion board is really going to answer the first question on your project. And then don't forget to upload a copy of your notes. So mid-semester project is part of that category that's worth 45% of your grade. So it is a large chunk for your final grade. So let me go ahead and put myself in student view quick and we can take a look at that together. And you can always access these under activities and assignments. So for your mid-semester project, I strongly recommend you guys watch this overview video. It goes through what the expectations are and what the project is. A quick summary, the objective for this is you're going to be asking a question of your choice to a minimum of 20 people. So you can gladly get more, but you need to have at least 20 people. And you're going to be collecting data and then answering several questions that cover units 1 and 2. You need to make sure that you're including all work with your project, so you can include these on separate documents, or you can integrate them into your project on a PowerPoint or a paper. So how this project is set up as part direction, question, and tips. So it might be easier to print these out, which I'll show you at the bottom, and just go through by part. So you're going to be asking a question, and this is what your discussion board's about, and I will give you guys feedback on that and some things to expand upon so you have enough data, because the information you're going to collect for this project, you're going to use for the mid and end of semester project. So you'll have your directions, your questions over here in the third column, and then some helpful tips and tricks in the last. So for example, we have a data collection tool here. We'll also have things linked throughout, so do again preview this as you're working on your project. Make sure you're reading through each and every question and you're supporting your work and your answers with the data that you're collecting. And just make sure at the end that you're going back to summarize, well, what was the actual answer to the question you asked your participants? Down at the bottom, we do have two options if you'd like to print these out. So there's a Google Doc version or there's a PDF version. Once you have all your information and questions answered, you'll go ahead and either do a formal paper, a PowerPoint, or video presentation. If you choose to do a video presentation, please just make sure everything is clear and easy to read, because I will be going through and grading you guys on this rubric below. So what I recommend is once you finish your project, go through and self-score. Make sure you guys should all be aiming for these 4, 3, but really try to aim for this 4. Read what I'm looking for and how to achieve that score. You do get points for it being on time. If you submit it late, we do take off a little bit of points just to help encourage you guys keeping up with your projects. If you have any questions throughout the week, please make sure to reach out. I do also have my student hours, which are drop-in, and we can also make an appointment. So over here again are my student hours. You do not need an appointment for these, but if they don't work, just shoot me an email or give me a call. I hope you guys all have a great week.